Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Examiner, Bapak Dr. Suherman, MSI. Dear Examiner, Bapak Dr. Muhammad Rizan, SEMM. Dear Examiner, Bapak Sandi Aditya, BIB, MPBS. Dear Lecturer, Bapak Agung Kresnamurti Rifai, PSTMM. Dear Lecturer, Ibu Ika Febrilia, SEMM. My name is Fahri Azam Pradesa. In this occasion, I would like to present my thesis entitled The Factors Which Influence KI-Access Application Users. Survey on KI-Access Application User. In the now era, the service basin is very fast growing. For example, is transportation service. The impact transportation company will have tight competition. Consequently, passengers are becoming more selective in choosing transportation service. So, prospective passengers will get the good service, loyal, and reuse in transportation service. This is a various of transportation. Land transportation is train and bus. Air transportation is plane. Water transportation is ship or boat. We can see the table of transportation user data in Indonesia. I take information from bps.go.id. This is the issue on KI-Access application. On Google Play, we can see more passengers that give small rating and negative reviews. Why? The problem which is update on KI-Access application has many problems. As a result, many user and passenger are annoyed. We can see in the table problem from passenger KI or user KI-Access. First, after update application, first problem is how to login. If login, application performance getting slower. Next, exciting account, auto logout. When re-login, cannot login. The button cannot responding or working. Typing result of type not relevant with type. When re-register with account, email, phone number, identity number, on Indonesia is KTP or SIM. The same cannot because the account has been registered. Reserved ticket but not print yet is lost. The impact is passenger come to the operator station. Formulation the problem. Does SoftQual affect to user loyalty in KAccess application? Does SoftQual affect to repurchase interest in KAccess application user? Does user trust in KAccess application user affect to loyalty in KAccess application user? Does users trust in KAccess application affect to repurchase interest in KAccess application user? Does user loyalty in KAccess application affect to repurchase interest in KAccess application user? Okay, this is research purpose. To know SoftQual affect to know SoftQual affect to user loyalty in KAccess. To know SoftQual affect to repurchase interest in KAccess. To know user trust in KAccess application affect to loyalty. To know user trust in KAccess application affect to repurchase interest in KAccess application user. To know user loyalty in KAccess application to repurchase interest in KAccess application user. Next, chapter 2, customer loyalty is good customer mindset to company. Commit repurchasing the product or service from the company and recommend the product or service to other. Customer loyalty is propensity to repurchase or reuse the product or service repeated, and what important thing a company can do about the competition with satisfy customer. Repurchase interest. Repurchase interest is customer behavior show the extent of his commitment to purchase. Repurchase interest if product or service has already made approval with customer and customer are willing to reuse the product. SoftQual is fulfillment of needs and customer wish along accuracy of information to balance customer expectation. SoftQual is expectation level of excellence and controlling the level of excellence for fulfillment needs of customer. Customer trust. Customer trust is a relationship built among parties who don't know each other in the transaction process, which latter will fulfill all obligations properly and as expected. Customer trust is customer response to mismatch evaluation felt among expectation with actual performance in use. Next, this is conclusion about variable. First, conclusion about variable loyalty. Customer loyalty is good attitude to the seller or company by using or repurchasing goods or service to the company. Repurchasing interest is having a sense of satisfaction or have a bond between the seller or company with customer. There are also customer dissatisfied but still use and buy because customer is lazy to seek or evaluate the goods or service. Software is have fulfillment needs level of excellent privilege provided by the seller of company to customer. Customer trust is building and maintaining a relationship with customer for a long term. Trust also emerges as a result of customer experience from full use of previous service with goods or service from the company. Hypothesis. First hypothesis. Software effect to loyalty in KI access application user. Second hypothesis. Software effect to repurchase interest in KI access application user. Third hypothesis. Trust in KI access application user effect to loyalty in KI access application user. Fourth hypothesis. Trust in KI access application user effect to repurchase interest in KI access application user. Fifth hypothesis. Loyalty in KI access application user effect to repurchase intention in KI access application user. Okay, next in chapter 3 is research methodology. We can see from a table is conducted research in Jabodetabek at August until December 2020 years using the quantitative method as a research method. Quantity sample is 200 respondents. The sampling technique was purposive sampling. Research method. Research method used in this research is quantitative method. Quantitative research is research that use an objective approach include the collection and analysis of quantitative data and using statistical method testing by Fatihuddin in Rizal Mutakid. Hypothesis testing is this research use the structural equation modeling or SEM. SEM is a field of statistical study who can test a series of relationships that are relatively difficult to measure simultaneously. Data collection. Method of data collection use survey method that is by distributing a structured questionnaires give a respondent design to obtain more specific information. Next, variable and measurement. This research use two variables of independent is service quality as x1 independent variable and trust as x2 variable. Intervening variable that is loyalty as y intervening variable. And dependent variable is repurposing as dependent variable. Next, population. The population in a research is the group individual or is the group individuals or objects that are common traits. The population is all from a research subject. Population is generalization are consisting of object or subject who has quality and certain characters set by the research for learn and then draw the conclusion. Sample is part of the population which has the same characteristic and can be considered represent of the population. Sample is part of element the population that are taken certain ways to also have certain character, clear and complete, which is considered to be represent of the population. The sampling method used in this research is purposive sampling. Purposive sampling is sample technique with consideration and criteria and represent the purpose from the research use. This is a table of quantity respondent of previous research. We can see the table. Data collection method in this research use data premiere. Data is shared to 200 respondents who have purchased or will buy train ticket in KAI Access application. For now, the information about variable to research in the research. This is a table of operational variable. We can see the table. Service quality. Next. Trust. Next. Loyalty. Next. Repurchasing interest. Okay. Next is table of measuring scale. We can see the table. The measuring scale used in this research is Likert scale. Likert scale is a method used to measure attitude, opinion, and perception the people or group people about social phenomena by Sugino and Firman Fauzi. With a Likert scale, then the variable will be measured, spelled out into indicator variable. Then the indicator serves starting point for arranging instrument item in this statement or question. This is a criteria of question from respondent. Very disagree. This decoder is VDA in Indonesia. Coder is STS, sangat tidak setuju. Next, disagree. Indonesia, setuju. The code is S. Next, ordinary. Indonesia, in Indonesia is biasa saja. The code Indonesia BS. Next, agree. The code A, Indonesia, setuju. The code S. Next, very agree. The code VA. Indonesia, sangat setuju. The code SS. Okay, next, data analysis technique. The research use SAM with software is almost 22 version to process and analyze data. They use SAM in this research because SAM is considered more accurate researchers not only relationship between variables but also knowing the component variable shape and knowing the quantities. Next is instrument testing. Instrument testing is first validity testing, second reliability testing. First validity testing, instrument measuring instrument use for get data measure it's valid. Valid mean the instrument can be used for measure what to measure. By Sugiono in Desi Susanti. Reliability testing. Reliability is a tool for measure or questionnaire which is an indicator of variable or construct. A questionnaire is said to be reliable if someone answer to be statements is consistent or stable over time. Reliability is terms used to indicate the extent to which the measurement result and relative consistent when the measurement is repeated twice or more times. The reliability of the reliability of a variable construct is said to be good. It has alpha Kronbach greater than 0.6. The questionnaire is said to reliable if value the Kronbach alpha greater than 0.7. The Kronbach alpha is said to reliable because the value above greater than 0.7. This is a reliability calculation using alpha formula. Model suitability. In the using the structural equation modeling or SAM, there are three parts of a defined SAM model be said to be appropriate or not. First, absolute fit indices. Function, the measured compatibility fit model, overall structural model, or measurement. Second, incremental fit indices. Function to compare proposed model with the basic model used. Third, parsimony fit indices. Function to compare complex model with a simple model and for adjustment measurement fit. Measuring instrument for fit indices is chi-square, RMSA, GF, G, G, GFI, IJFI, AGFI, CMN, CMEIN, or DF. First, chi-square. The most basic measurement instrument for measure overall fit. The testing model will look good or satisfy if expected value to accept hypothesis 0 with significant probability greater than 0.05. RMCA, the root mean square error of approximatio. This index used for chi-square statistic testing in the big sample. Value of RMCA smaller than 0.08 is indexed to say the model can accept it. GFI, the index calculating the proportion of variance in the sample covariance matrix. The high value in this index is fit better and Levent with a range between 0 and 0.1. AGFI is criteria adjustment from GFI, degree of freedom. Value AGFI greater than 0.9 recommended for model acceptance. This is a table from goodness of fit indicates. Next, hypothesis testing. Data analysis method used in the research is path analysis. Path analysis used for measure the amount of contribution or influence of the independent variable to dependent variable. Direct or indirect influence through the relationship with other independent variable. Next, chapter 4, result and discussion. Data descriptive. This research is collected 200 sample considered made the respondent criteria used for the research at a least try book a train ticket in K-Access application. Next, researcher divide someone respondent character based on gender, age, domicile, education, marital status, work status, and amount of expenditure per month will buy train ticket in K-Access application. The data shown in the following tables. First is characteristic based on gender from respondent. Can we see characteristic table based on gender of respondents above shown. The most of those who have used KaiAccess application is male, with percentage 57.5% or 115 respondents, while female respondents who have used the KaiAccess application have percentage 42.5% or 85 respondents. Next, respondent characteristic based on age. In the beside characteristic table of age, which respondent use KaiAccess application are domination is age group 18 until 23 years old with percentage 58.5 or 117 respondent. Respondent age group 24 until 29 years old with percentage 24% or 48 respondent. Age group 30 until 35 years old with percentage 5% or 10 respondent. Age group 36 until 41 odd with percentage 1% or 2 respondent, while the age group 42 until 47 odd with percentage 2.5% or 5 respondent. Over 48 years old with percentage 9% or 18 respondent. Next, respondent characteristic based on domicile. Domination is from Jakarta with percentage 45% or 90 respondent. Bekasi is 30.5% or 61 respondent. Bogor with percentage 12% or 24 respondent. Tangerang with percentage 7% or 14 respondent. And last, Depok with percentage 5.5% or 11 respondent. Next, table characteristic based education. Our domination is ungraduate group, will percentage 65% or 130 respondent. High school or equivalent with percentage 24.5 or 46 respondent. Diploma with percentage 4.5% or 9 respondent. Last, less than high school with percentage 1% or 2 respondents. Next, respondent characteristic based on marital status. Our domination is single group with percentage 78.5 or 157 respondent. Married group with percentage 40% or 20 respondent. This forced group with percentage 1 or 2 respondent. Last, widower or widow group with percentage a half percent or 1 respondent. Next, table from respondent characteristic based on job status. Our domination is student with percentage 43.5% with 87 respondent. Workers with percentage 43% or 86 respondent. Does not worker works with percentage 11.5% or 23 respondent. Last, supernations with percentage 2% or 4 respondent. Last, the table from characteristic respondent based on expenses per month. Our domination, which has an expense of greater than 1 million rupiah with percentage 34.5% or 69 respondent, which has an expense of 1 million until 2 million rupiah with percentage 31% or 62 respondents, which has an expense of 3 million until 5 million rupiah with percentage 20.5 or 41 respondents. Last, which has an expense of 5 million with 5 million rupiah with percentage 14% or 28 respondent. Okay, next is validity testing. We can see the table, no dimensions are formed and no indicator are omitted. Then all indicator declared valid. You can see from the table, no dimension are for and no indicator are omitted. Then all indicator declared valid. We can see from the table, no dimension are formed and no indicator are omitted. then all indicators declared valid. You can see from the table no dimension are for and no indicator are omitted, then all indicators declared valid. Next, reliability testing. Next, researcher will do the reliability test. What to do after validity test for ensure that the research instrument used is reliable and extent to which the value of the instrument is free from measurement error of each variable. If reliability less than 0.6 can be said not good, and if 0.7 can acceptable. Last, if 0.8 be said good. CFI serve to identify if the indicator is the construct of the research variable or the indicator are one unified on dimensionality. Next, on the table software variable instrument. Okay, next is instrument from software variable test. There are 20 statements with code in Indonesia. So quality is kualitas layanan. The code is KL1 until KL28. After testing, the model has no indicator that need to be removed because it meets the requirements. The result of appropriate model show the value P is 0.72, RMC is 0.04, GFI is 0.955, AGFI is 0.922, CMIN or DF is 1.324. So that can be stated software model is fit. Next, trust instrument testing. There are 16 statement with code. Okay, I can jelaskan. In Indonesia, trust is kepercayaan with code KA. On the software variable instrument test, there are 16 statement with code K1 until KA16. After testing, the model has no indicator that need to be removed because it meets the requirements. The result appropriate model show the value P is 0.061, RMC is 0.046, GFI is 0.964, AGFI is 0.9, CMIN DF is 1.419. So that can be stated subqual model is fit. So that can be stated trust model is fit. Next is loyalty variable instrument testing. There are 10 statements. Okay. I want to tell you, I want to tell Indonesia loyalty is loyalty. Okay, same. With code LO1 until LO10. After testing, the model has no indicator that need to be removed because it meets the requirements. The result appropriate model show the value P is 0.474, 0.494, RMC is 0, GFI is 0.989, 986, AGFI is 0.966, SEM-IN DF is 0.934. So that can be stated loyalty model is fit. Last, reproducing interest variable instrument testing. There are 9 statements. Okay, I tell reproducing interest in Indonesia is minat beli ulang. The code is BU. Okay, the code is BU1 until BU9. After testing, the model has no indicator that needs to be removed because it meets the requirements. The result operated model show the value P1 P 0 until 365. Sorry. P is 0.365. RMC is 0.02. GFI is 0.991. AGFI is 0.967. SEM-IN is 1.079. So that can be stated reproducing interest is fit. Next, full model. We can see table and bagian apa ini? Full model testing are made to known if all variables involved in the research has met the requirements or not, so that the model hypothesis testing if have qualified. The result of tests carried out have not been said to be upright because there is index not terms. There is probability is 0, JFI is 0.784, AGFI is 0.753, then it needs to be raised by making adjustment so that research get model according to criteria can do hypothesis testing. Okay, this is table of fit model SEM. We can see the table. When full model testing, soft-qual variable have 12 indicator. After the fit model testing, 6 variable must be removed so that model testing according to condition, so the remaining total indicator is 6. Next, a full model testing trust variable have 12 indicator. After the fit model testing, 6 variable must be removed so that model testing according to condition, so the remaining total indicator is 6 indicator. Next, at full model testing loyalty variable have a 6 indicator. After the fit model testing, 3 variable must be removed so that model testing according to condition, so remaining total indicator is 3 indicator. Next, at full model testing reproducing interest variable have 5 indicator. After the fit modeling testing, 1 variable must be removed so that model testing according to condition, so the remaining total indicator is 4 indicator. The result of suitable models show the value P is 0.378, RMC, RMSI, SEA is 0.013, GFI is 0.929, AGFI is 0.905, CMIN DF is 1.032, so can be said the research model is fit. Next, table of hypothesis. We can see the table. If P less than 0.05, then there is a significant effect of each variable, and if P more than 0.05, then the effect each variable not significant. Can be seen in column of CR with term if significant result of value CR more than 196, while to see variable relation positive or negative can be seen in the standardized regression weight column. There are no sign. the variable relation is positive. Vice versa, next chapter 5. Hypothesis 1 is the variable can be set x1. Effect to loyalty have the critical ratio value of 4.989 greater than 1.96. It means there is positive influence and value of probability is 0. Has met the criteria probability greater than 0.05. Then survival variable x1 effect to loyalty can be set variable z. Variable z can be concluded. Hypothesis 1 can be accepted. Hypothesis 2 is survival effect to reproducing interest. Critical ratio value of 4.762 greater than 1.96. It means there is positive influence and value of probability is 0.011. Has met the criteria P probability greater than 0.05. Then survival variable effect to reproducing interest variable can be concluded. Hypothesis 2 can be accepted. H3 is trust variable effect to loyalty variable have critical ratio value of 2.555 greater than 1.96. It means there is positive influence and value of probability is 0. Has met the criteria of probability greater than 0.05. Then trust variable effect to loyalty variable can be concluded. H3 can be concluded. Hypothesis 3 can be accepted. Hypothesis 4 is trust variable effect to reproducing interest variable have critical ratio value of 6.594 greater than 1.6. It means there is positive influence and value of probability is 0. Has met the criteria probability less than 0.05. Then trust variable effect to reproducing interest variable can be concluded. H4 can be accepted. Last, hypothesis 5 is loyalty variable effect to reproducing interest variable have critical ratio value of 2.067 greater than 1.96. It means there is positive influence and value of probability is 0.039 has made the criteria P probability smaller than 0.0, then probability variable effect to reproducing interest variable can be concluded. Hypothesis 5 can be accepted. Okay. Okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.